220 stocks that are tracked by at least 4, but less than 10 analysts on the Bloomberg terminal. Some of them have a potential of being hidden gems because they're not spoken about too much, but they are tracked. And if the analyst target price is anything to go by, then they could give some material returns in 2018. Jayesh has a list of such stocks based on yesterday's closing, and he's here to talk about one with the highest potential gain. Jayesh, which is the stock?
Morning, Neeraj. So Neuland Laboratories is the stock that we are referring to. That is because as per the target price pegged by sell-side analysts, the return potential for the stock is highest amongst the criteria that you spoke about, that is close to 50%. Now, Neuland Laboratories specializes in bulk drugs and also intermediates. If you have a look at the market data as of yesterday, the price it closed at was nearly 876, and the consensus target price by all the analysts which are available is close to 1312 rupees per share. That gives it a return potential of nearly 50%. And mind you that this is a sub 1,000 crore market cap company that we are looking at. Now, going further on the analysts that we have. So we have 5 analysts, and 3 out of the 5 have an overweight or a buy rating on the stock, while one has a hold rating, which is Anand Rathi, and Systematic Shares has a sell rating. So, the highest target price that they have is from Dolat Capital, which is pegged at about 1,800 rupees, while Systematic Shares and Stocks has a target price of 945 a piece for Neuland Laboratories. Now, mind you that this 945 is still a good margin away from the current close that we had as of yesterday. So, let's look at the financials of the company, how the company has actually been performing well. Not a great picture to paint over here. If you look at the first half of 2018, what is really surprising is the profit level and the operational efficiency that the company has clocked. So, for first half of 2018, the EBITDA has come in at only 25 crores as compared to 88 crores for full year FY17. And the margins have also declined from about 15.4% to about 10.4%. So that's a sharp decline. And the net profit, have a look at this number, just about 5 crores as compared to entire year of about 33 odd crores for FY17. Now, going into some of the reasons why these analysts are, of the belief that Neuland Labs could do well is because Dolat Capital, which is the most bullish on the stock, says that the API and CMS business is likely to drive the earnings going forward into FY19. And the earnings profile will also improve on account of the merger that they have pending with Neuland Pharma Research. So, some of the reasons over there. Moving on to the hold case scenario that we had by Anand Rathi, what they are saying is that H2 FY18, the earnings are likely to be subdued going forward. But the recent acquisition that they have done, that will most likely remove the capacity constraints that they have. And the earnings are expected to recover going into H2 of FY19. So, some of the reasons there. And Systematics, which has a sell rating, why do they have that rating? Is because they see that the weak order flow for its 2 key drugs, which is ciprofloxacin and salmeterol, have seen weak orders coming in for themselves. And they say that there is improving business environment on account of the API and the CMS business, which looks good for the stock.